Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone and enabling control. Make sure you have a backup and at least 30% battery. Next, open Settings, go to About, and tap Build number 7 times to enable developer options. This gives you more control over home screen behavior. Once done, open Home Settings. Long press the blank area to reach launcher options. From here, you'll access widget and search bar settings immediately, so you can remove or replace the Google search. Now you remove or replace the search bar itself. Long press the home screen and choose Widgets or Home Settings. Locate the Google search widget and drag it to remove or delete, confirming when prompted. If the widget is part of the system launcher and resists removal, install an alternative launcher from the Play Store, open it, and set it as default in Settings App's Default Apps Home app. This switches control to a launcher that lets you permanently hide that search bar. Finish by confirming the change and addressing common hiccups. Go to Settings App's Default Apps and ensure your chosen launcher is active. If the bar still appears, clear the launcher's cache and data. Settings App select the launcher storage Clear Cache and only clear data if you backed up layouts. Restart the phone to apply changes. If anything goes wrong, switch back to the original launcher and restore your backup. Then try the alternative launcher install again to repeat removal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.